it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different as I was looking for a video to film. What should I film next for you? And I know that my hair doesn't look like it really needs to be washed and done over, but tomorrow is Sunday and I just want to start the week fresh with a new style, so I definitely need to wash my hair and style it. This is 6-day hair from the Flexi Rod out when I use the Dollar Tree Flexi Rods. I'll link the video above just in case you haven't watched it yet. And it actually looks good. My hair is still soft. It is definitely still holding. Just this part in the front is a little bit frizzy, so I don't really like when my hair gets like this. It's just bothers me and I just need to do my hair over. Anyways, tomorrow will be day 7 and like I said, I want to start the week off fresh, so it just corresponds. My hair doesn't want me to be great right now. That's why I am going to wash it. So I was looking for a video to film for you. I didn't want to do the typical wash day, the perm rod out, twist out. I wanted to do something different and I wanted to actually put the products to use that I did buy a few weeks ago. I don't want it just sitting on my shelf. It's the Alaffia shampoo and conditioner, the coconut and ginger hydrating normal to dry hair. So my hair isn't dry, but one tip I do have for you, especially for us naturals and especially if your hair is color treated, always get the products that are intended for dry hair because they have that extra moisture, that extra conditioning factor that's really gonna help to penetrate your hair and just make your hair look just so much better. Also, they have extra ingredients that are gonna condition the hair. That's what I always do. I do have a little bit of color at the ends of my hair, and many of you have asked me if I'm going to color my hair again, if I'm gonna cut it off, or what I'm gonna do, and I am going to slowly but surely get rid of the blonde ends and just let my natural hair breathe for a while. So I looked online to see if they had more products and I came across an article from Whole Foods, which is where I got them from. And this article, it states how to care for natural African American hair. So it says, care for your curls with plant-based products that maintain the health and integrity of your hair. So I found it very interesting. They go and list how to style your hair, and they definitely left out some of the steps that I do, and I've actually learned how to care for my hair through the mistakes that I've made. So I don't want any of you to make the same mistakes that I have. I don't want this video to be too long. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Jumping right into the shower as directed, I'm just gonna drench my hair with some nice warm water. I'm gonna section my hair into quadrants as I find this really allows me to get the shampoo on my roots and on my scalp well. And then I'm gonna be using the coconut and ginger shampoo. I pumped 2 full pumps and it lathered so good. Once I apply the shampoo on all 4 sections, I'm just going to rinse that out with some warm water, and my hair instantly felt so squeaky clean and I did not like it at all. My hair and scalp was very, very clean. There was no buildup, no product residue on my hair, which was good, but as far as the feeling in my hair, it felt too clean for me. I did not like it. And then I'm going to go in with the coconut and ginger conditioner, and I pumped about 7 pumps of this conditioner and I worked it in my hair very well, and I combed the conditioner into my hair and my hair kept getting tangled, and that's another thing that I did not like and an indication that this shampoo is not for me. My hair seldomly gets tangled and I knew that the shampoo was the root of it, but nonetheless I did apply about 4 more pumps of the conditioner. I made sure that I combed it through the subsection very well, and then I twisted the section up just so that the moisture can stay into my hair, and then I continued on the rest of my hair. And as you can see, my hair kept getting tangled and I actually got a knot in my hair, so I will never be using this shampoo again. Also, when combing my hair with the conditioner in it, a lot of my hair did come out, which is very, very abnormal for me. So I will not be using the conditioner either. I just felt that these 2 products weren't moisturizing and conditioning enough for me. I did rinse some of the conditioner out and I did leave a small amount of conditioner in my hair as instructed, but still I felt that my hair wasn't conditioned enough. I'm back now. So I have shampooed and conditioned my hair. I left some of the conditioner in my hair, a small amount. So that is step 1. Now step 2 is to layer your products to moisturize with a generous helping of leave-in conditioner, working in sections for even distribution. And then next is to apply a gel or a curl custard in the same manner. So I have left the twist in my hair just to really help the moisture stay in my hair. Here, the conditioner in my hair, I've never left the conditioner in my hair. I've always been taught to rinse the conditioner out whole and do the deep conditioner and rinse the deep conditioner out, and that's what a leave-in conditioner is for, to continue to nourish your hair until next wash day. I'm going to be applying my leave-in conditioner. This is the Jane Carter's Solution Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner, and I actually like this leave-in conditioner, and they have it at Whole Foods as well. So I'm just making sure I get all of my hair from the roots all the way down to the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair need so much TLC. And it's said to layer your products on and moisturize with a generous helping of leave-in conditioner. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put a lot of leave-in conditioner in while my hair is still wet. My hair feels really nice. It feels really soft. So I'm just going to twist this up and then just continue on the rest of my hair until all my hair is twisted. And then I'm gonna move on to the next step and apply the curling custard. And so far it hasn't been the best, especially with that shampoo, but hopefully this part really does work. Okay, so this section is still damp and it feels pretty good. It feels very moisturized so far, and I could definitely tell that my hair is hydrated and my curls are defined, so that is a great indication that my hair is taking in that moisture. And I'm seeing my curls are defined and I'm really liking it, especially right here in the back, if you could see. So I don't have any of the colored ends. I pretty much just cut it off. I noticed that it was getting a little bit damaged, so it was just, what's the point of really keeping it? And I'm transitioning to get the blondes out of my hair anyway. Okay, so I finished all of my hair and I really saturated with the leave-in detangler. So I used about 1/3 of the bottle. I know that's a lot, but the instructions said to apply a generous helping of the leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going to apply the curling custard, and this one is by Kinky Curly, and I've heard so many great things about this gel. It's a natural styling gel, so I'm very excited to try it. I've never tried it before, and I'm really happy that they have a seal that's all the way up here, so you have to cut. One time I did take a product home from Target that someone opened and it had a hair in it, and it was so disgusting. So I really like and appreciate that they do seal their products. So that has a pretty good smell. It smells like vanilla, like cookies, vanilla cookies, or some vanilla cake. It smells like vanilla cake. That I've heard so many great things about this Kinky Curly curling custard. That was definitely a mouthful. So I'm just going to start in the back as I always do. It says to apply the curling custard just like the leave-in conditioner, so I am going to apply a generous amount of this as well. So I'm just applying a good amount. Okay, so I applied a generous amount, and I could see that my curls are being defined already without combing it through. Okay, so I've applied the curling custard to all 4 sections. So now, finally, number 3, it says isolate a small horizontal or diagonal section, working from roots to end. Use a wide tooth comb to untangle and even out the texture. Repeat. Okay, so this is really different because there's no oil being added, but looking at the definition already, I am very happy. Like, this looks like a really great wash and go. I don't know why I've never tried this before. And I don't know why they said to use a wide tooth comb. Typically when you want to define those curls, you want to use a Denman brush, or even like the paddle brush I've used before. A wide tooth comb is really good to detangle. I feel like this is combing out my definition, but this is what it says to do. See, now I feel like it made it worse. So my hair looks pretty good. I feel like using the wide tooth comb, it just made my hair separate and the curls don't clump together, and I don't really like that. But I did read ahead on number 4, and it says to twist sections to create larger formed curls, or simply run fingers through hair and scrunch sections for a finer curl. So I guess that's kind of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do sections 3 and 4 together, just because I don't want my hair to dry. I really like that defined curl. And I'm just gonna scrunch a little bit. I don't want my hair to get too weighed down, especially at the ends, because then the ends get too straight and then they dry straight, and I don't like that. I don't know why I've never tried it before. So many people have been raving about this gel and how it's amazing, and I need to try it, and I said that I would try it, but I just never did. Also because it's expensive. I think it was $17 for this little container. See, like my curls, they look more defined, and then once I comb it out, it's like I'm combing my curls out. And I guess this is what step 4 was, just to run your fingers through and to twist sections like this. My hair is going to be really nice and voluminous. See how my curls, they don't look as defined? Like I comb the curl out, and then I have to go back and define it with twisting or just running my fingers over the curl. Like looking at this section, my hair is super defined. Like, why would I want to comb these curls out? Now to step number 5, it says blot, don't rub with a towel to remove extra product and moisture, and then allow hair to dry naturally, or use a dryer with a diffuser for tighter, bouncier curls. Okay, so it says to use a towel to blot. I'm going to gently blot my hair with the towel. I have one right here. There wasn't too much excess in my hair anyway, so I don't have to worry about causing frizz. I'd rather not use a diffuser. So I'm just gonna let my hair dry. It is currently 11:08, so I'm just gonna let it dry overnight. I'm gonna put a plastic bag over my hair and then just let it continue to air dry into tomorrow. Good morning. So it is currently 11:54 and I recently woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, put some oil on. I took my black seed oil and this has really been helping me a lot. Also, I have my water right here. I already started drinking my water for the day, and even though I got a late start, I'm still up. I like to sleep in. I do wake up with Zanai periodically through the night, maybe once or twice through the night, so I'm allowed to sleep in. I don't really have anywhere to go today, so let's just get this tutorial going. See how my hair looks. I've done this before where I have just done a night wash and go, and then I just put a bag over my head so that the moisture does stay in my hair, because my hair is not dry yet. So once my hair is dry, I'll feel a lot better, and then I'll just use a scarf and wrap it up and just do a pineapple. Alright, so my hair is still wet, which is good. But I'm just looking at the definition of my hair, the curls. So right now I just have to let this dry. I know I really shouldn't be touching it too much because I don't want to disturb the curl, but I just wanted to get it a little bit in place so it can dry. Like you saw how my hair was looking before I don't want my hair to dry looking all lopsided. So I'm just trying to get my hair into place right now so it could dry like this. I will get ready for the day. I have a video I want to edit. I am back now and it has been about 7 hours. It's currently 6:36 and here's how my hair looks. It's pretty much fully dry. Only some spots in this area and right here aren't dry, but the back I'd say is pretty much dry. So my hair, I could tell it's somewhat defined. It's very soft, I would say, more so towards my roots, and here it's just a little bit harder. And last up, number 5, it says shake dry hair gently. Always start from roots and be careful not to disturb the curl. Once completely dry, if your curls are a little crispy, scrunch to soften. So I've already did that. I feel like it's not really helping my hair. It just feels like a little stiff, and I know that's where the oil would have definitely helped. I really like my hair to flow on this side. I like to do a deep part just because I feel like it looks a lot better on me and it frames my face. I still feel it's dry right here. I can't get over it. So I am itching to do my hair over, just do a twist out. I just feel like my hair, especially the ends, it's gonna get dry if I don't put any oil, if I don't moisturize it and then seal it with oil first. My hair did not turn out how I like it. I'm going to do a little clipping, but here's how my hair looks. I wanted to try it out. I did pick up a staple hair product that I will be using a lot more and I will be buying more of. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.